Right, good everyone. Welcome to another episode of your favorite tutor. Your favorite tutor on physics. And today we'll be discussing about energy. Energy is defined as the ability or capacity to do work. Without energy, there is no work. And we have various forms of energy. We have the mechanical energy, heat energy, chemical energy, light energy, electrical energy, atomic energy, solar energy. These are what? Forms of what? Energy. I hope you can see this. Okay. One thing we need to know is the law of conservation of energy. Conservation. It means that we conserve energy. And the law of conservation of energy states that energy can neither be created nor destroyed, but can be transformed from one form to another. Ladies and gentlemen, students out there, this is a what? A law. And laws in physics, they have been proven in all ramification that it is what? True. We don't create energy. Neither can we destroy energy. We cannot destroy energy. Sorry to burst your bubble. Energy, you cannot destroy it. But we can transform it from one form to another. Okay, take for example your mechanical energy. A perfect example, the use of what? Dam. We can transform mechanical energy to electrical energy with the use of dam, where we have a large mechanical kinetic energy of moving waters is being made. When you have these large waters, is being made to turn a water wheel, and this in turn work a dynamo and generates electricity. Yeah, from what? Dam. So the movement of those waters, is known as what? Kinetic energy. They possess what? Kinetic energy. So it's being made to turn a water wheel, and this in turn work a dynamo and generate electricity. So energy, what we do is to do what? Transform it from one form to another, because we cannot create it. So we transform it from one form to another. Like your solar energy, for example, we can convert solar energy, that's the energy from the sun, to what? Electrical energy with the use of what? Solar panels. That is the word, the medium of what? Transformation, to transform the solar energy to what? Electrical energy. So you see that we don't create energy, but what we do is to transform it, to conserve it and transform it to another form. All right. But today we are going to talking about what? Mechanical energy. Mechanical energy. And mechanical energy is divided into two parts: the potential energy and kinetic energy. Now this potential energy, okay, it's been written down here. You can look at it. You can see this is an energy possessed by body at rest or at a height. That is for what? Potential energy. Energy possessed by body at rest or at a height. Let us say an energy at a height, it possesses what? Potential energy. Potential energy. I'm going to give you guys examples of potential energy. Electrical charges at rest in an electrical field, or a magnet at rest in a magnet. Those, they possess what? Potential energy by virtue of their what? By virtue of their position at rest or at a height. A body at a height, it possesses what? Potential energy. Because it has the capacity to do work. Yes, or a compressed spring. A compressed spring or a stretched spring. That they possess elastic potential energy. Compress what? Spring. Now when you compress a spring, the spring do what? Compress. Okay, let me just put it down here. Like a compressed what? Spring is being what? Compressed. So it possesses what? Elastic potential energy, because the material is because of its what? Elastic nature. So that's for what? Potential energy. And the formula for potential energy, which is PE, is equals to what? mgh, where the m starts from the mass, g for acceleration due to gravity, and h for what? Height. That is by virtue of the position at a height. So this is the formula for what? Potential energy. Whenever we are calculating for potential energy, we use this formula. Alright, let us talk about what? Kinetic energy. This kinetic energy. Kinetic energy. This is an energy possessed by a body in motion. An energy possessed by body in motion. For example, a moving car. It possesses what? Kinetic energy. A body moving possesses kinetic energy because of its what? Motion. It possesses what? Kinetic what? Energy. And the formula for it is what? 1/2 mv squared. V raised to the power of 2. This is what? The m stands for mass. That's the mass of the body. While v, velocity. V raised to the power of 2. Velocity. It shows that the body is what? Moving. It has what? Velocity. Therefore, this is for what? Kinetic what? Energy. And don't forget, whenever we are calculating for energy, the unit of energy is what? Joules. The same thing with what? Work. The unit for work and energy is what? Joules. So this brings us to the end of this section. I hope you enjoy it. Yeah. Now in my next class, the next episode, we are going to solve some questions, and then we'll move to power. We'll see how far we can go. Please subscribe. I remain your favorite tutor. I wish you the best. Thank you, and God bless you.